here is our ERP system. So this is the home page or login page. So each user need to put the username and password. So login in here. I just inputted. Okay. So we'll see the purchase and inventory and sales. So basically we will purchase some products or a product, then we will receive GRN. It's called good receive notes. So that is the module is in the inventory area. So we'll purchase, and then after GRN we'll see the stock that what will purchase, and after sales or invoice we can deliver this product. So the delivery or module is under the inventory module. So let's from the beginning how to purchase a product. So go to the purchase module. So here is that two sub module, requisition and purchase order. We can submit a requisition for our goods or items, product items. So we will directly go to the purchase order. Let's click on the purchase order menu. So here is the screen for the manage purchase order. Like what we will see in this screen. This screen will allow us to overall purchase orders, history and details. So we can see here the purchase order number, date, supplier and delivery date, exchange rate, receipt status, action, cancel purchase order. So what we'll do next, we'll click on the new purchase order header. It's on the menu tab, the new purchase order header. We'll create the header information first. So click on new purchase order header. Here is the purchase order header information form, and this is the instruction. How can we use this screen basically? So here is the list of purchase order header. So how many purchase orders we have and what we have last created, and the action buttons and the link for the purchase order details. So we'll do a new purchase order header. So this is the purchase order number is PO 00083 and date is today. So we can change by clicking this field in a white area or on the icon. So we have in same. So we can change our date is as our needs. So it's 4th November. Select supplier. So let's see the supplier. Go to the bottom, like king supplier is Waka Waka. Okay, that's okay, fine. Pay terms, we can select the pay terms cash or credit. So I select cash. Delivery date, when it will be delivered. So it's 1 day in advance. That means it's 5th November. So we can change it by manually 6, 7 or 8, 9. So leave it in 5. So select delivery to our house. Let's select the Burundi warehouse. Currency, we are using the Burundi. So let's select the Burundian franc. So exchange rate will appear automatically by currency. Let's try US dollar, so it will change the dollar with local currency. It's okay. Burundian franc, so discount rate, you can use discount rate or you can leave it blank. So add purchase order hidden. It after added the data successfully, it will redirect us to create new purchase order details. We just added purchase order hidden. Now we'll in this screen we will be able to add more purchase order details according to our purchase order number. This is the purchase number order for purchase order header. So in this screen we will add new purchase order information details, and after adding this purchase order details, the product information will appear in here in the right hand side table. So let's try to add product code, product description, product quantity, unit quantity, and purchase rate. So how we get the product code from our product list? So search by product name. Let's type D. We will see a list of the typing D. So select his document folder for an example. So here is the product code, which is unit, and the product description is product folder. So purchase order quantity, as per our requirement, unit of measurement is piece, so we can change it manually. Unit quantity we can change its default. When we select the product code by searching the product name, this information is showing from the product master table, because we are inserted lots of data for products on the table. Okay, so purchase rate, we can change the purchase rate manually because we already inserted 30 in earlier, but we can it will be changed somehow. So select 36. Unit of quantity or is 1. It depends on requirements. So purchase order quantity, if we click add without inserting any data or any value in quantity, so add product detail, it will pop up a new instruction. Please fill out this print. So this is mandatory. We need some quantity. Let's 100 or 200, 200. So add purchase order detail. Okay, so this is the success message. Product added successfully. Here is the purchase order number with details. Information is product item list. So here is the two action button under the column of action. Here is the update button and the delete one. So if we press this on button delete, this will disappear from this screen. And if we want to update this product, so click on update, it will show in the field area, form field. So when we update, it will be changed. Like say it is 300. So update purchase order detail. Now its product quantity is 300. Our product code is this one, and product source is product document folder. So let's have a look on the instruction. After adding the purchase order detail, some fields are mandatory, and here we can go back to purchase order header to view all purchase order information at a glance by clicking on the menu tab go back to header, or go back to header in the menu tab in this area. So click on the menu, go back to header. So this screen will back to the main or home screen of purchase order. So here we will see the header information or purchase order information with the status, actions, or cancel options. So let's see. Here is the purchase order number. PO is 00083 and the date is today 4th November, and supplier is Waka Waka. Requisition number is blank because we didn't submit any requisition. So payment term is cash when early selected. Here is the action button. If we want to approve this purchase order, here is the approve button. If we place the mouse on this button, it will show the name of this button, and here is the another option to cancel purchase order number or purchase order details. You can click on the cancel before approving. If you want to view the details, so click on the purchase order number link, so it will appear the purchase order detail screen with purchase order detail information, means item details. So what we did earlier, we go back to header. So go back to header and click on the action button, approve. Okay, here is the important thing. If we do not approve, it will not appear in the GRN or inventory. So we must approve this purchase order for GRN, good receipt notes. So let's approve this purchase order. Click on the button. So approved successfully. Now status is changed. So click on the purchase order number to view the details. This is we don't have permission now to edit the item details. So if we want to update the item details or add new details, we have to do it before approving the purchase order. Okay, let's go to the inventory. So inventory and the GRN. So this purchase order number will appear the GRN screen. So this screen is called GRN history in this. So we can create GRN from here according to purchase order number. This is the supplier ID, supplier name. It was Waka Waka, that is right. Order date today 4th November, delivery date 5th November. PO status, purchase order status is approved because we approved from the purchase module. So let's create GRN. So here is the instruction. In this screen we will be able to view all purchase history. To create GRN, we need to click on this button and under the action column in the table. Also, before creating the GRN, we can view the purchase details. So click on the purchase order number. Another new tab will appear in your browser. It's the report. We can print it or we can save it, or for documentation or for the printout. So here is the purchase order GRN. It's the supplier name and the product code is this one, and the product name document folder. So quantity 300. Okay, let's back to the GRN history screen. So we'll click on the create GRN button. Okay, click. Okay. After clicking the button create GRN, the manage screen will redirect us to add product details for GRN detail. So here is the product we purchased from purchase module. So click on this row on product name or product code. This all information will fill the form in left hand side in this screen automatically. In this screen, so here is the GRN number. When we in previous screen we pressed on the button create GRN, this number will generate automatically, and the product code we click here, so product code will appear here, and expiry date it's the December, so 30 days in advance. So we can change it manually now from December or 15, or change the year, or we can change the date, say for December 11th December, so it's 2014 12 and 11. So unit is page, unit quantity is 1, and receipt quantity is 300. So here we can receive partially, because we can change it 100, or we can change it 50, or we can change 25, whatever we need. So we will now shape it full on 300. Also we can change this cost price is 36, so we can change it 39 or 36. We can change it manually. So let's enter GRN detail. Here is the button to enter GRN detail information. This we picked the information from this area, and according to purchase order number, here is the purchase order number, and here is the GRN number. So after clicking this button, this information will appear in the here in right bottom table with a GRN number. So here is some mandatory fields like batch number. If we leave it blank, click on this button, like click, it should show the error. Batch number cannot be blank. So let's tap some batch number. It's called selling 808. Now press the enter GRN detail. So in purchase order number and details there is nothing now, no results found. So GRN number is this one. So already we added this product, we received product. This will our good receipt notes, because we purchased 300 product. Now we are going to approve the GRN. Just we finished the GRN creation, and then we will approve this GRN. Our GRN number is GRN -00084. So here is the instruction how to do next. So go back to GRN, click on the menu tab, manage GRN. So we'll click this menu tab, manage GRN. Here is the GRN details that we created. GRN number, created GRN number according to our purchase order number. It's the date, supplier description, branch, status, and there is another action. So let's check the instruction again. This screen will allow us to view the GRN details, and here is the action button, confirm GRN. Before confirming GRN, we cannot view our items in stock. So to view the products in stock, we must confirm the GRN. Let's check the stock view, inventory stock view. So search the product. It's called my batch number because I entered the batch number ACLIN808. So it's nothing, no results found because we didn't confirm our GRN. So go back to GRN again. If we missed GRN, we cannot see the product in stock. We cannot sell this product either. Okay, so here is the GRN history. We'll go back to the manage GRN, click the manage GRN. So GRN number, so we must confirm the GRN by clicking on the button GRN. So GRN confirmed successfully. Now we will able to view our product in stock view, in inventory. Let's go back to inventory again and click on the module stock view. So search the product again by batch number. There's I am ACLIN808. Oh, this is the product in our stock in Burundi warehouse. So the first one is product code, second one is product name, this is batch number, expiry date in 11th December 2014. Burundi is the stock rate, unit, and stock availability is 300. Okay, now we are going to sell this product from the sales module. So click on the sales module and the sub module as invoice entry. So click on the invoice entry. Here is the manage invoicing screen. Where in this screen we will able to view sales invoice history with general ledger voucher number with some actions, cancel invoice, confirm invoice, and some reports. And for details according to sales number, we can view the details by clicking these numbers, sales number, or we can see the GL voucher number by clicking the account receivable number here. This will appear new screen to view the reports, and another option is reports for sales or details. So we'll create a new invoice. We'll create an invoice for sales. So let's click on the button new invoice. Here is the sales invoice header information and the item details. in the middle of this page. So sales number is 238, I am 000238. Sales date is today. Select customer code by customer name. Let's fix some fixed date. Customer John Peter. Cash, choose currency Burundian franc. Click from the list or select from the list Burundian franc. This exchange rate will appear here. So product class. Here is a drop down button for service product. So we purchased a product, so we need to select the product, and we must choose the warehouse in warehouse we purchased. Burundi. Select Burundi from drop down. So let's scroll down this screen a bit more. To search, here is the item details. To add items in invoice, so we will search the product name, product information, product price, sale rate by typing product name. Let's see, we purchased or we already approved the GRN for the product. Its name document. So start typing by T. So here is the document folder. So here is our product is available in our stock in Burundi warehouse. So before approving GRN, we cannot see this item for selling, or we cannot see this product item in stock. So let's click on this list. So document folder, some information will appear automatically after clicking on this name. Here is the code, sale rate, tax rate, quantity, price, total, and action button. So we can change sale rate manually like this. We can change it a 5, 4 or something like that. We can change our tax rate like 18, 19, 20. Here is the quantity we must fill by manually, because now we know how much quantity we're gonna sell. So if we leave this area, if we add, it will alert us to add product or product quantity. So click OK. So we'll add 300 for selling. So this price will calculate here, and after, here is the action button. After clicking this button, this information will add into a new line with invoice amount, with tax amount, with total amount. So here is our listed. We can add more by in same process by searching product name, typing quantity or some other fields. This will added in the below of this line, and the invoice amount, tax amount will added by calculating this area. Okay, now we are going to save this screen for creating invoice. So click on save. So data is added successfully. Here is the success message. So I hope I did it successfully. Here is the invoice history in home screen. You see it then for sales. Here is the sales number, information that customer name is John Peter, Burundi, cash, total amount, tax amount, discount amount. I didn't insert any discount. Net amount and status is open. There is no GL voucher number because you didn't approve it. Now we're going to see the 3 columns in the right hand side. This is the cancel invoice. We can create this invoice. We can cancel this invoice by clicking this button, cancel invoice. We do not need to cancel this, we need to confirm. So we'll go to the next column for confirm invoice. Here is the button to confirm invoice, and for reports we can see the product or item details. To click on this PDF or Excel, so it will appear in new tab. This is the sales invoice. We can print this PDF or save this PDF for documentation or for customer. So here is our product document folder. It's 300 quantity, unit price, and the product name. Here is the invoice number, it's date November 4, Burundi warehouse, the currency, and details. Okay, go back to the invoice screen. To confirm the invoice, click on the confirm invoice. So now our our invoice is confirmed. So here is the GRO voucher number. So we can click the voucher details. It will appear in new tab with reports in PDF format. We can save it or print it for customer or for documentation. This one, okay. Now go back to the invoice screen. So now after confirming this invoice, we are ready to deliver this product. So go back to the inventory. Here is the deliver order module. Click on the delivery order. Here is the invoice, which was 238. This is the invoice number. So here is the some instruction how will we have this screen. In this screen we will be able to confirm delivery order. Here is the action button, confirm delivery. Here is the reports column. You can view the reports. So let's click on this PDF or Excel. Before confirming this invoice, we need to know the details. So click on the PDF. It will appear in new tab as usual. So here is the delivery note for our customer John Peter. Here is the invoice number from Burundi warehouse. This is the date, product name, code, pass, expiry date, quantity, and unit. So let's go back to delivery screen. So if we confirm this delivery, the voucher number will appear here with link for reporting to confirm delivery. Here's the voucher details. Let's check. Here's the information, the total information with debit, credit. So here is the cost of goods sold voucher number, date Burundi, grants Burundi. Here is the accounts head. So this is our system, how we purchase product, how we create a GRN, how we confirm GRN for stock view, how we're gonna sell this product. First we purchased, after confirming sales invoice, how we're gonna deliver it. So here is a flow. We need to follow this instruction properly, step by step, so that because each and every module is integrated from one to another, so we must follow our instruction properly, so that we can see the general ledger information, voucher information, reports, inventory, and details. Here is the reports also in the report tabs, reports module. In each module we have. So I have now we have a clear concept how we're gonna purchase, order for items, and how we're gonna create GRN, confirm GRN, how to see in stock, how to create invoice for sales to a customer, and after confirming invoice, how to deliver it. So I think all are clear. Thank you.